I am opening up something that just came today that I just ordered on Monday. It's from Japan, and I'm super impressed. Today's Friday, ordered it Monday night, and it is here already. Now, if you've been following me, you know I'm in a 30-day appreciation challenge window still. And what I'm doing during that time period is also I'm practicing a chill buy. So I'm not allowing myself to buy something, but I'm just trying to be more thoughtful. Now, I confess that this was definitely falling in the category of an impulse purchase. I was watching Aziza's Gourmet Pens live stream Monday night, where she was getting ready for the DC Pen Show, which I'm not going to. I'm going to San Francisco, but not to DC. And one of the things that she is using while she's there is the item that I have ordered, that I decided while it was a splurge and probably really well packaged, was probably something I didn't necessarily need, but I really wanted. And it will be helpful for me in San Francisco too. So it is this item here, free arm wear. That's interesting, from PostalCo. So the company's PostalCo, and it is the product is called a snap pad. And some of you may have seen this before. It's completely new to me. So this is the pad and some paper. I also ordered a punch because it has a unique punch system. So let me pull this stuff out, get it out of the way, and I will unwrap the snap pad cover. So like I said, I just ordered this like Monday night after the live stream, and it's Friday. It's already here. So this is a snap pad in an A6 size. Let me find out where to open it. And there we go. This was a newer design that they had released that I just decided I needed to have. So it is a refillable notebook cover that fits A6 paper, and it is a pad like this. This is the Shikogu River, and this is a little information about the product itself, about the pattern in this particular design that I selected. It's a kind of a canvas type fabric with this weave in it, navy with the white. And what you do is you take the paper, and this is their paper that they sell pre-punched to go in there. But I also bought the punch so I can refill it with whatever paper that I want to refill it with. So this is the paper they have, which is for writing or drawing. It's a cream color that's easy on your eyes, versatile paper with a texture that keeps the pen from slipping too easily and makes it an ideal writing surface to keep thoughts flowing. Suitable for fountain pens, pencil, ballpoint, or gel ink. It's made with pulp from managed forests, and its alkaline paper resists yellowing and aging. You get 55 sheets in this pad, and it fits through these posts right here, and then you snap that back, and that's how you would write with it if you are writing on the go. let's see, how did she do this? I think you do this first. So you would pick up a paper that you want to write on. You would flip this over, and then you would snap it in place. And then you have a hard writing surface to write on. And granted, it's under this texture, so I'm not sure. I guess I would have a separate pencil board. Maybe I would slip under that as well if I'm using Tomoe River paper. I don't think it'll matter with this. This is a pretty thick paper. It doesn't give the thickness or the GSM, but it feels, I would say like 100 weight or something like that. But anyway, that's what she's taking with her to DC, and I decided, oh, that's very handy. And for those of you who don't know, A6 paper is A5 paper folded in half. A4 paper is, A5 paper is A4 folded in half. So that standard sizing works really well to making custom papers, for which I purchased from them. There's probably other places you can get this as well, but I purchased this 2-hole punch to put that on. And this comes in a nice little sack. And this is the punch. So for me to use whatever paper I decide I want to use in it, I can bring samples of papers and cut them up in this size too. I would just use this punch to punch those 2 holes in the places that they need to be in order to fit onto those posts. Now, Aziza said she's had hers for quite some time and it's been very sturdy. So let me take this peg off and see how it opens. Yeah. So you just would put your paper in here and it would cut the punches like that. So I'll do the opposite side. Yeah. So there you have it. So that is my new product that I look forward to trying out. You can also just fold it back on itself too. You don't have to fold it over because that's easy to write on as well. Hi guys. This hinge has a pleat in it, so you just pull it back and forth in order to reinsert it underneath the snaps. You don't have to keep unsnapping it in order to use it. So that works to close it. It works when you want to put another sheet underneath it and just single out a sheet. And of course you can still flip it to the back like that. So that's how you use the snap pad.